Hi guys, this is another dry stack test using a combination of various fire bricks that I've got. This is following an idea I saw on Permisbo, though this is a rather poorer implementation. So what this is a hybrid L and J tube. So we have the riser on the right. We've got this one here is a brick feed tube. So I've got some fuel stacked in this feed tube, which is covered by this brick here, and the fuel falls into the fire chamber, the combustion chamber down below. And I've started this fire with some smaller kindling. And then it's burning the tips of the larger fuel as it falls down. So this is the primary air intake. Let's see what I'm getting. Okay, it was reading over well, some of it's reading over 500 degrees centigrade, some of it less. It's been going for about 10 minutes now. And the cooking plate, a little bit of smoke coming out. The cooking plate is only, I think, 115. Oh, it's getting promising. So with luck, we won't have any fire coming back up the feed tube. Nope. So you can see that the fire is... Of course, when you open the feed tube, smoke comes out because it's another chimney. I think I need to feed the fire a bit more. So I'm not seeing any smoke at the moment, so I've got it going okay at the moment. And there's a bit of a draft. Let me just demonstrate that. So that fire's been pulled into the combustion chamber. And hopefully my cooking plate is getting hotter. $118, 100, where is it? Can't see the laser. Okay, it's reached 145 now. Okay, I see some smoke coming out of this chimney here, which I need to close off. So it's looking very promising for a dry stack test. It's been going about 20 minutes. We can see a lot of heat haze. Well, I can. Yeah, pretty promising. Yeah, 144, that's not bad for some cooking. Nothing's cooking yet, but it's only about 120 degrees, I think. Now, one of the larger pieces of wood fell into the fire from the feed chimney, but we've still got our draft, it hasn't blocked it. So here's the fire here, and we drop it down into the chimney, into the feed tube. You can see that the flame is feeding back into the fire indicating the draft is still going. We might time to put some more fuel into the feed tube. Maybe this one's too big. Can you take that away?
Yeah.
No, I think we can put it in. No, too big. Oh no, okay. Good, no gaps. We'll just keep waiting, I guess. Probably needs a bell over the top of this thing so that we can capture all the heat and then vent the smoke elsewhere rather than in our faces, but there's no smoke at the moment. I had to refill the feed tube as the wood had all fallen in. Taken the ignited almost instantaneously. It's probably a bit of smoke coming because I haven't got this completely sealed. Let's see if I can get above this and see what's happening without damaging my camera. So it looks like flames are rocketing up the riser. I didn't look at it myself. I'll have a look at it shortly. Didn't see a vortex before, but anyway, this looks very promising. Thanks for watching.